Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm excited to walk you through how to sign up for Mint, the super handy app that helps you track your expenses, budget smarter, and take control of your finances. If you're tired of spreadsheets and manual bookkeeping, Mint is a game changer. It's free, user-friendly, and available on both web and mobile. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have what you need. A device with internet access, a valid email address, and some basic details like your name and phone number. Mint is secure, so they'll guide you through protecting your info. Step 1. Head over to mint.com on your computer or download the Mint app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once you're there, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button. It's usually front and center. Step 2. Enter your email address and create a strong, unique password. Remember, the stronger your password, the better. Mix in letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account safe. Step 3. You'll be prompted to verify your email. Check your inbox for a confirmation link from Mint and click it to activate your account. This only takes a second. Step 4. Next, fill out your basic profile information, like your name, zip code, and income details. This helps Mint customize your experience and give personalized financial insights. Step 5. Now, the fun part. Link your bank accounts, credit cards, or investments. Mint uses secure connections, so your data stays private. Just follow the prompts to search for your bank and enter your login credentials. Once you're all set up, Mint will start analyzing your spending habits and provide budget recommendations. It's that easy. If you run into any issues, like two-factor authentication problems, don't worry. Just check the help section on their site. In conclusion, signing up for Mint is quick and straightforward, and it could save you tons of time managing your money. Give it a try today and start building better financial habits. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.